Do you find that you spend so much time focusing on how you failed rather than how much you succeeded? It's time for a change. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. So today's video is all about paying attention to what we focus on. Are you the type of person that focuses a lot more on how much you fail and what didn't work out instead of how much you've succeeded? If you're that person, then this video is for you. You can't spend too much of your time focusing on how much you failed, how many L's you've taken in life, how many of your businesses have failed, how many exams you managed to not pass, how you've had so many failed relationships so you now don't want to try again. It's important to be able to focus on the positive outcomes that have come from those situations. Fine, you failed, but you have to dust yourself up and try again. You have to pick up the pace and try again. Sometimes you don't even realize the small wins that you've taken. Every win counts. Maybe you've managed to actually break yourself out of that toxic relationship. That's a win because it takes a lot of courage. Maybe you finally managed to pass your driving test after trying to learn after you failed 7 times. That's also a small win. Maybe you're currently going through a tough time, or you're currently not yourself mentally, you're going through depression and you've managed to actually get out of bed. That's a small win as well. We have to celebrate the small wins. Life is not always about the big purchases, finally purchasing your house, purchasing your dream car. Success comes in different ways. A win comes in different ways. You have to also account for the small wins. Maybe you've lost 5 pounds. You've managed to actually go through a day without you breaking down. Maybe you've actually managed to eat a well-balanced diet for a day. You have to take advantage of all the small wins because they make up the bigger picture. Maybe you finally managed to get yourself out of a negative situation. Maybe you finally got the courage to quit your job. Yes, you have to celebrate every single small win. Life is about perspective. It's about how you see it, how you see yourself, how you see every situation. Life is a journey and you will get small wins every single time. You're not always going to win the battle, but you're always going to have something to show for it. You're always going to win at something. So don't forget to celebrate the small wins. Why are we so quick to celebrate only marriages, only birthdays, only graduating from college? Why do we only recognize those wins? How about the small wins where somebody has tried their best to get out of bed and they've managed it? How about the small wins? We have to also be able to celebrate the small wins within yourself and reward yourself for doing well. You don't always, part of achieving the bigger picture and becoming the best version of yourself is realizing the small wins. So make sure that you're celebrating every single win that you encounter and not just the magical big wins that everybody expects, okay? Thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know all the small wins that you've had this week, and I'll see you in my next one.